What if your vegetable garden did not have to start from zero every spring? Imagine your neighbors lining up at the garden center again, buying seed packets, trays of seedlings, bags of compost, and spending another weekend preparing beds they already prepared last year. Meanwhile, in your garden, certain crops are already waking up on their own. That is the quiet power of perennial vegetables. These are not short-lived plants that give you one harvest and disappear. They behave more like apple trees or berry bushes. You plant them once, let them establish strong roots, and then they return season after season with very little help from you. Some produce for 5 years, some can feed a family for 10 years, and a few can keep giving for decades. By the end of this video, you will know 20 vegetables that can turn an ordinary backyard into a long-term food system. The surprising part is that many gardeners do not even realize these crops exist. They keep repeating the annual cycle because that is how most of us were taught to garden. Hey there, garden friend. Welcome back to Root Garden Wisdom, where we grow smarter, save money, and make the garden work with us instead of against us. If you are new here, I am truly glad you found this video because today's topic may completely change the way you think about vegetable gardening. And if you have been here before, thank you for coming back. You are part of a community that believes a productive garden should not drain your wallet, your time, or your energy. Before we dig into the list, do me a quick favor. If you want a more affordable garden that becomes easier every year, subscribe and turn on notifications. We share practical, budget-friendly gardening ideas every week, and your support helps these tips reach more people who need them. Now let's look at the bigger idea. Most vegetable gardens are built around annuals. You sow in spring, harvest in summer, clean up in fall, and then repeat the same work next year. But that model is not the only option. Perennial vegetables give you a different strategy. Invest once, protect the plant while it establishes, and harvest from the same roots again and again. And no, we are not talking about rare plants that need impossible conditions. Many of these are familiar, useful, and surprisingly tough. You may have eaten some of them already without knowing they could become permanent residents in your garden. They are practical, resilient, and perfect for frugal growers. So let's begin with 20 incredible perennial vegetables that grow more like fruit trees than ordinary crops. Vegetable number 1, asparagus. If perennial vegetables had a champion, asparagus would stand at the top. Plant asparagus crowns once, give them a permanent bed, and they can produce for 20 to 25 years. One planting session can reward you with fresh spring harvests for 2 decades. But asparagus asks for patience. In the first year, you should not harvest. The plant is building the roots that will feed you later. In the second year, take only a light harvest. By the third year, the reward begins. Tender spears rise every spring, and your garden starts producing a crop that often costs a premium at the store. Asparagus likes full sun, loose soil, and excellent drainage. Prepare the bed well at the start, and it becomes one of the most dependable long-term investments in the garden. Vegetable number 2, rhubarb. Rhubarb is a vegetable, even though most people treat it like fruit because it ends up in pies, jams, sauces, and compotes. It is tough, cold-loving, and long-lived. A healthy rhubarb crown can produce for 15 to 20 years, sometimes longer. Those red stalks return each spring with very little help from you. In fact, rhubarb often performs best where winters are truly cold because that chill helps the plant rest and come back strong. Just remember the rule: eat the stalks, never the leaves. Rhubarb leaves contain toxic compounds and should not be used as food. Vegetable number 3, artichokes. Artichokes look almost too beautiful to be vegetables. Their silver green leaves and bold flower buds make the garden feel like a living sculpture. In warmer regions, especially Zone 7 and above, artichokes can return year after year and produce for about 5 to 7 years. What we eat is the immature flower bud. Harvested at the right time, it becomes a rich, flavorful vegetable. A mature plant can produce several buds in a season, and with winter protection, gardeners in cooler areas may also keep them going as perennials. Vegetable number 4, sorrel. Sorrel is one of the most underrated perennial greens. It has a bright, lemony flavor that works beautifully in salads, soups, sauces, and egg dishes. Unlike many leafy greens, sorrel does not demand perfect conditions. It tolerates partial shade, average soil, and cool weather. Plant it once, and it can return for 6 years or more, giving you fresh greens from early spring into fall. It is like having a reliable salad ingredient waiting before annual crops are ready. Vegetable number 5, Egyptian walking onions. Now we get to one of the strangest and most useful perennial vegetables. Egyptian walking onions grow small bulbs at the top of their stalks. When those bulbs become heavy, the stalk bends down, touches the soil, and the bulbs root in a new spot. That is why people say they walk across the garden. You can harvest the green tops, underground bulbs, and little topset bulbs. They multiply with almost no help, making them perfect for gardeners who want a steady onion supply without buying starts every year. Vegetable number 6, globe artichokes. Globe artichokes deserve their own moment because once they settle in, they become serious garden producers. These plants form deep root systems, which helps them handle dry periods far better than many thirsty annual crops. In Mediterranean-style climates, a mature globe artichoke can become a huge, beautiful fixture in the garden, almost like an edible ornamental shrub. With the right care, one strong plant can produce a generous harvest of buds in a season and may keep going for many years. Give it sunshine, good drainage, and enough room to spread, and it will reward you with both food and beauty. Before we move on, pause for a second. If you are starting to realize how much money perennial vegetables can save compared with buying new seeds and seedlings every year, hit the like button. It helps more gardeners discover these long-term crops. And tell me in the comments which one you would plant first. I always enjoy seeing what people are excited to try. Vegetable number 7, watercress. Watercress is perfect for a part of the yard that stays wet, where most vegetables would struggle. It loves moisture, grows quickly once established, and gives you peppery, nutrient-rich greens that can brighten salads, sandwiches, soups, and stir-fries. In mild climates, watercress can behave as a true perennial. In colder areas, it may self-seed and return so reliably that it feels permanent. If you have a damp corner, a shallow stream, or a boggy patch, this plant can turn a problem spot into a productive food source. Vegetable number 8, sea kale. Sea kale sounds fancy, but it is surprisingly practical. This perennial produces tender spring shoots with a flavor often compared to asparagus or mild cabbage. Later, it grows attractive blue-green leaves and clusters of white flowers, so it brings beauty as well as food. It is drought-tolerant once established, resistant to many common pests, and can produce for around 8 to 10 years. Plant it in a sunny position with well-drained soil, and it asks for very little. Vegetable number 9, lovage. Lovage tastes like a stronger, richer version of celery, but instead of needing to be replanted, it returns as a tall, vigorous perennial. You can use the leaves, stems, and seeds in soups, stews, stocks, and roasted dishes. One plant is usually enough for a household because lovage can grow large and productive. It is hardy, long-lived, and low maintenance. Once established, it can remain in the garden for decades. Vegetable number 10, Good King Henry. Good King Henry is an old European perennial vegetable that deserves a comeback. It gives edible leaves similar to spinach, spring shoots that can be cooked like asparagus, and young flower buds that can also be eaten. It tolerates partial shade better than many vegetables, making it useful in areas where sun-loving crops fail. Plant it once, let it establish, and it can become a dependable, old-fashioned source of greens for years. Vegetable number 11, Turkish rocket. Turkish rocket, sometimes called Turkish arugula, is the answer for gardeners who love peppery greens but hate replanting arugula again and again. Regular arugula grows fast, bolts quickly, and often needs another sowing every few weeks. Turkish rocket is different. It is a true perennial that returns from the same root system each year. In mild climates, you may harvest leaves through much of the year. In colder areas, the plant rests during winter and comes back in spring. The flavor is bold, slightly bitter, and excellent in salads, sandwiches, and cooked greens. Vegetable number 12, Caucasian spinach. Caucasian spinach is a climbing perennial green, which makes it perfect for gardeners with limited space. Instead of spreading across the ground, it climbs a trellis and produces tender, spinach-like leaves from spring into fall. One of its biggest strengths is heat tolerance. Regular spinach often bolts when the weather warms up, but Caucasian spinach keeps producing when other greens give up. It dies back in winter, then returns from the roots each spring. Vegetable number 13, Dobbinton's kale. Dobbinton's kale is a dream plant for anyone who loves kale. While most kale is biennial, this variety is truly perennial. It does not waste energy producing seeds, so it focuses on growing leaves. You can harvest from it again and again, often through most of the year in mild climates. The leaves are tender, nutritious, and useful in soups, stir-fries, and sautés. Better yet, Dobbinton's kale can be propagated from cuttings, so one plant can become many. Vegetable number 14, 9-star perennial broccoli. Yes, perennial broccoli is real. 9-star produces several small heads instead of one large head, usually creamy white and mild in flavor, somewhere between broccoli and cauliflower. It takes patience to establish, but once it starts producing, it can give harvests for about 5 years without replanting. For broccoli lovers, that is a serious advantage. Vegetable number 15, chives. Chives are so familiar that many gardeners forget they are perennial. Plant them once and they return every year, slowly dividing into larger clumps. You get fresh, onion-flavored leaves, edible purple flowers, and a plant that works beautifully in containers, borders, and companion planting. They need almost no care and are one of the easiest perennial vegetables to start with. Vegetable number 16, garlic chives. Garlic chives are close relatives of regular chives, but the flavor leans toward garlic instead of onion. They produce flat green leaves, delicate white flowers, and edible buds that can be used in stir-fries, soups, omelets, sauces, and fresh garnishes. They are perennial, easy to grow, and even more heat-tolerant than common chives. Once established, they come back year after year with very little effort. They can also naturalize in the garden, slowly filling empty spaces and giving you a dependable supply of garlicky greens. Vegetable number 17, horseradish. Horseradish is the perennial vegetable that refuses to disappear. In fact, the main challenge is not growing it, but keeping it under control. Plant a small piece of root, and you may have horseradish for the rest of your gardening life. The edible root is famous for its sharp, sinus-clearing heat. It is used in sauces, condiments, and traditional dishes where a powerful bite is needed. Horseradish tolerates poor soil, handles neglect, and grows with incredible strength. Just choose the planting location carefully because once it settles in, it is not easy to remove. Vegetable number 18, Jerusalem artichokes. Jerusalem artichokes, also called sunchokes, are perennial tubers related to sunflowers. Above ground, they grow tall stems and cheerful yellow flowers. Underground, they produce knobby tubers with a nutty, slightly sweet flavor. They are extremely productive. Plant only a few tubers and they can multiply quickly, giving you a large harvest from a small starting point. But that strength comes with a warning. Jerusalem artichokes can spread aggressively. Grow them in a dedicated bed, a contained area, or a place where you do not mind them expanding. Vegetable number 19, wild leeks. Wild leeks, also known as ramps, are treasured by foragers and chefs for their rich onion-garlic flavor. They prefer shade, moist soil, and woodland-style growing conditions, making them ideal for gardeners who have a shady corner where ordinary vegetables struggle. They grow slowly, especially from seed, but once established, they can form long-lasting colonies that return every spring. A patch of ramps is not just food. It is a valuable perennial crop that becomes better with patience. Vegetable number 20, tree collards. Tree collards are truly remarkable. These perennial brassicas can grow like small trees in mild climates, producing edible leaves through much of the year. Some plants can live 10 to 20 years and may reach impressive heights. They are usually propagated from cuttings, which means a single plant can continue through generations. With tree collards, you are not only growing vegetables, you are growing a living food source that can keep feeding your garden for years. So, there you have it. 20 perennial vegetables that can completely change the way you garden. Instead of treating every spring like a fresh expense, you can start building a food system that becomes stronger, easier, and more productive with time. Some of these plants need patience at the beginning. Asparagus, ramps, and tree collards will not give you everything overnight, but once they settle in, they reward you in a way annual vegetables never can. They come back from the same roots, keep producing season after season, and reduce the amount of money, labor, and stress you put into the garden. Here is my challenge for you. Choose just 3 perennial vegetables from this list and plant them this season. Not 20, not a whole new garden, just 3. Give them a permanent place. Let them establish and watch what happens over the next few years. That is how a garden stops being a yearly project and starts becoming a lasting food source. If this video helped you see gardening in a new way, share it with a friend who wants to save money or grow more food with less work. Subscribe to Root Garden Wisdom for more smart, budget-friendly gardening ideas. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which perennial vegetable would you plant first? Until next time, keep growing smart, keep growing affordable, and let your garden do more of the work for you.